Let's create some text and animate it, step by step. First, press Shift+A to add a text object. Now press Tab to go into edit mode and type in your text. Head over to the text data properties. Here you can choose your font style. I'm going with a bold font for this one. Click on your font style, then open the font panel, select your bold font, and click this button to apply it to your text. Press S to scale your text to the size you want. Now right-click and set the origin to geometry. Then press Shift+S to snap the text to the 3D cursor. Let's rotate it. Press R, then type 90 to rotate 90 degrees on the X-axis. Now go to the geometry section. Let's extrude the text to give it some depth. You can also add a simple bevel to smooth out the edges. Press Shift+A again and add a camera. Press N to open the side panel and check the Camera to View option so we can see through the camera. Use your mouse wheel to move the camera into the position you want. Once you're happy with it, don't forget to uncheck Camera to View. Let's head to the render properties. I'm using Eevee for this tutorial, but this works just as well with cycles. Turn on ray tracing, and feel free to adjust the ray tracing resolution to your liking. Now go to the film section and check transparent, since we're rendering this as a PNG with alpha. For color management, set the look to very high contrast. Go to the environment settings and lower the strength value. Now press Shift+A and add an area light. Adjust the power of the light to suit your scene. Let's add a material to the text. Set it to fully metallic and lower the roughness. Then change the color to whatever you like. Press Shift+D to duplicate the area light. Change the pivot point to the 3D cursor and rotate the duplicate into a new position. Adjust the power of both lights until you're happy with the balance. Now let's add an outline for our text. First, we'll need to remove the bevel. Press Shift+D to duplicate the text. And rename it Outline. In the data properties, set the fill mode to none, then add a bevel. Duplicate the material too, and change its color. To make selecting easier, let's lock the lights and camera. Now select both text objects, right-click, and convert them to mesh. Press Tab, then press A to select everything, and press P to separate by loose parts. Press 1 for front view, and turn on X-ray toggle so we can see through the mesh. Now select each matching pair of letters and press Ctrl+J to join them together. Do this for every letter. Let's set the origin point to geometry. You'll notice the origins aren't quite centered. Let's fix that. Go to the tool settings, check the origin options, and manually place each origin point at the center. Just remember to uncheck that option once you're done. Now you can move each letter individually. Let's animate. Right-click and insert a keyframe. Adjust the position of your keyframes to delay each letter's transformation, creating that staggered effect. Time to export our animation as a PNG alpha sequence. Set your ending keyframe. Then head to Render and choose Render Animation. You can now import this PNG sequence straight into your video projects. And that's it! Now you know how to create and animate text in Blender. Bye!